Hi guys, let me show you how to make this simple and yummiest papaya milkshake ever. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? So if you have papaya or pawpaw and you are wondering on what to create with it, I am here to help you out, okay? First of all, I am going to cut the ends of the pawpaw or papaya, and then I am going to divide the pawpaw into two. So once I divide this, I am going to use a spoon to remove all the seeds in it. But you can just go ahead and peel the pawpaw if you are okay with that procedure, okay? So after deseeding it, I am going to cut it into smaller shapes like this before I remove the fruits from the back. Make it gently, okay, in order not to hurt yourself. But if you don't want to use the knife, you can just use a spoon to scoop everything from the skin, okay? So once I'm done with everything, I'm going to transfer the pawpaw fruit into a blender. And next, I am going to add pineapple juice. Yes, I added pineapple juice to this. And then you can add orange juice as well if that is what you prefer to. And next, I am going to add condensed milk in order to sweeten this. So if you don't have condensed milk or you don't like it, you can substitute with date syrup or sugar. And next, I added powdered milk. Add anything to how you want it, okay? I mean the quantity. And I added a little bit of water, and I am going to blend this till I get a fine puree just like this. And I am going to store them in my glass containers or glass cups, and you can as well freeze this to make it a popsicle, okay? Serve it chilled, or you can just serve it just like that. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.